Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you a chives omelette. These chives are nothing but smaller onions, spring onion. What we commonly call as sambar onions. I have rinsed the spring onion and finely chopped it and reserved. For the omelette we require chili powder, salt, pepper powder, and I've also cracked some eggs in a bowl. Now here you can see I've added the chopped spring onions or that chives in the eggs that I've cracked and reserved. Some I'll reserve for later. We also need to add chili powder, salt and pepper to the eggs, and we'll give it a good whisk. Now once the eggs are nicely whisked and combined well, I've heated a pan on low to medium flame. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. You also get garlic chives. Garlic chives will taste even best. Garlic chives are much more smaller and it is nice and fragrant. Once the egg mixture is combined well, I've heated a pan and added oil to the pan, just about 2 tablespoons of oil. And now I will start ladling out the egg mixture. 2 ladles is what I'll add to the pan and I'll prepare an omelette. So this is a very simple and fragrant omelette. Do try this, friends. It's very nice. If you don't find tender chives, you can use spring onions. Just spring onions also will do. It tastes excellent. If you have not tasted this combination, you have to prepare this. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog, I posted a detailed recipe. After frying the omelette for 2 minutes on one side, I flipped it to the other side and I'm frying it on the other side. And now I'm going to start dishing out the omelette on a serving plate. And I'll garnish the omelette with some finely chopped chives again. And I'll serve it hot with some ketchup. It was very nice. You can eat it as it is or you can serve it along with bread toast. It's up to you. I'm preparing the second omelette in the same manner. In the pan, I've ladled out 2 ladles of that omelette mixture and I'm preparing the omelette. I prepared approximately 3 omelettes out of this mixture. So for 2 to 3 adults, it is sufficient. You can serve this omelette any time of the day. From breakfast to dinner, it pairs very well with many dishes. Try this omelette, friends, or you prepare it as it is and you eat it as it is as a starter. All the links to my other social media will be listed in the description box below this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.